Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices for a clean connection. Make sure the headphones have charge and the phone's Bluetooth is enabled. This prevents mid-process dropouts. Once ready, power the headphones on and press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds until the LED flashes blue and red. That visual cue means the headset entered pairing mode. Now keep the headphones nearby and keep the phone's Bluetooth scan page open so you can move instantly to the next step. Once done with pairing mode, look at your phone's available devices list and select the Silvercrest entry. Names often include BT or a model suffix. You'll often see a PIN prompt, enter 0000 or confirm the numeric key displayed because that authenticates the link. After acceptance, the phone will show paired or connected. Make sure it lists media audio enabled. If the phone asks for permissions, allow them so calls and media route correctly. This confirms both sides recognize each other. Finally, verify the link by playing music or making a test call and make sure sound comes through the headphones. Set them as the default media output if your phone separates call and media profiles. If the device fails to connect, remove or forget the Silvercrest entry on your phone and start pairing again. One key troubleshooting tip. Reset the headset by holding the power button for about 10 seconds to clear glitches, and if problems persist, clear your phone's Bluetooth cache before attempting another pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.